What if tonight, while you're sleeping, your bank account quietly grows? No clocking in, no boss texting you, no overtime, just money flowing in. That's not fantasy. That's not luck. That's passive income. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what it is, how it really works, the best ways to build it, and the brutal mistakes that keep most people broke. Stay with me. This could change how you think about money forever. What passive income really is. Let's clear something up first. Passive income is not free money. It's not magic. It's not a scam. Passive income is money you earn after you've done the work. Unlike a 9 to 5, where you trade your time for money every single day, passive income flips the model. You work once, you build once, you invest once, and it keeps paying you again, and again, and again. Think of it like planting a tree. You dig, you plant, you water, but years later, it's still giving fruit, even if you're not standing there watching it. That's the difference between working for money and building something that works for you. Why passive income is so powerful. Here's a hard truth nobody talks about. Active income has a limit. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can't work 40 hours and 400 hours at the same time. If you stop working, you stop earning. That's fragile. Passive income removes that ceiling. It gives you what money really buys, and it's not cars or watches. It's freedom. Freedom to quit a job you hate, travel without asking for permission, spend time with your family, take risks, sleep peacefully knowing money is still coming in. And the most powerful part, if something happens tomorrow, you don't fall to zero. That safety net. That's power. The best passive income streams, proven and realistic. Let's talk real methods. No hype. No scams. 1. Dividend stocks. When you buy dividend-paying stocks, companies literally pay you for owning their shares. You invest once. They share profits. Every quarter, money hits your account. Some people build portfolios paying thousands per month just for holding shares. No customers. No inventory. No boss. Just ownership. 2. Real estate rental income. This is one of the oldest wealth strategies in history. You buy property. You rent it out. Tenant pays monthly. With a property manager handling operations, it becomes close to automatic. And here's the bonus. The property itself may increase in value over time. You get monthly income and long-term appreciation. That's a double win. 3. Digital products. Massive opportunity. This is where things get exciting. Ebooks, online courses, templates, presets, printables. You create once. Sell forever. No shipping. No warehouse. No restocking. You wake up to notifications. You made a sale. That's scalable income. And the barrier to entry? Almost zero. 4. YouTube and content creation. Yes, YouTube is passive income. A video you upload today can pay you for years. Ad revenue, sponsorships, affiliate links. One video can generate income 24/7. The work is upfront, but the payoff compounds. And if you're watching this right now, you already see proof it works. 5. Affiliate marketing. You recommend products you believe in. Someone buys through your link. You earn a commission. You don't create the product. You don't handle customer service. You don't ship anything. You just connect people to solutions. Simple, scalable, powerful. 6. High yield savings and bonds. Not flashy, not exciting, but stable. Park money in high yield accounts or government bonds. Earn interest automatically. It won't make you rich overnight, but it builds financial stability. And stability is underrated. Mistakes that kill passive income dreams. Now let's talk about why most people fail. Mistake 1. Expecting quick money. Passive income is not get rich next month. It's get rich steadily. Momentum takes time. The people who win, they stay consistent when results are slow. Mistake 2. Trying everything at once. YouTube, stocks, real estate, affiliate marketing, digital products, all at the same time. That's chaos. Pick one. Master it. Then expand. Focus creates income. Distraction kills it. Mistake 3. Ignoring taxes. Passive income is still income. Dividends, rent, digital sales, all taxable. Be smart. Learn basics. Or hire an accountant. Don't let success turn into a surprise bill. Mistake 4. Confusing side hustle with passive income. If you stop working and the money stops, that's active income. Freelancing, active. Consulting, active. True passive income continues without daily effort. Know the difference. How you should start. Now here's where this becomes real. Ask yourself 2 questions. 1. Do you have more time or more money? If you have more time, start content. Start YouTube. Build digital products. Learn affiliate marketing. Low capital, high effort. If you have more money, invest. Dividend stocks, index funds, real estate, bonds. Let capital work for you. 2. What do you already know? You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. Package your knowledge. Teach it. Record it. Write it. Monetize it. The internet rewards value. 3. Strong emotional close. Here's the truth. The richest people don't just work for money. They build systems. Systems pay them when they're traveling, sleeping, spending time with family. Passive income isn't magic. It's a decision. A decision to stop trading all your time for money. And the best part, you don't need to start big. You just need to start. Open that investment account. Film that first video. Outline that digital product. One action today changes your financial future. If this video opened your eyes, hit like. If you're serious about building income that works for you, subscribe. Because we're not just watching success here, we're building it. Let's go.